Little kids.
Hello kids, are you ready to hear a story about the monkey and the Capseller? Come on. Once there was a Capseller who sold beautiful caps. One hot day, the Capseller was going to sell his caps in a village market. He has to cross the forest to reach the village. He was carrying a basket full of red caps on his head and going through a forest. As it was a hot day, he got tired in the heat of the sun and thought of taking rest for a while. So, he kept his basket on the ground and slept under the tree for some time. There were many monkeys on the tree. The monkeys came down one by one, took all the caps from the Capseller's basket and climbed on the tree. Suddenly, when the Capseller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. But to his surprise, he saw the monkeys on the tree were wearing them. The Capseller got very angry and sad. He had no idea how to get his caps back. When the Capseller made an angry face, to his surprise, the monkeys also made the angry face. He laughed at them. The monkeys also laughed. He realized that the monkey was imitating him, so he thought an idea. The Capseller took the cap and threw it on the ground. Seeing him, the monkeys did the same with their caps. The Capseller collected all the caps thrown by the monkeys and put them back into his basket. He went on his way back to the village happy. So kids, wisdom helps during difficult times. For every problem, there will be a solution.